Hello my friends, this is FC7 and today we're going to go through a demonstration on how to make popovers. So what I'll do is just have the ingredients on the screen here once they pop up. So we'll need 4 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we'll also need a muffin pan. You'll need to preheat your oven to 450. A blender is optional, and you can also use a hand mixer for this. So let's get started here. First thing you'll need to do is add 2 cups of milk to a blender. So we'll just measure that out here. After that's done, add your 4 eggs. So we'll get the eggs and add them to the blender. There's 1 and 2 and the third one. Having some problems with it. Third one. There it goes. And then egg number 4. After that, add your 2 cups of all-purpose flour. There's number 1. And there's number 2. Get that in there. Add your 1 teaspoon of salt. Measure it out. Now you blend it for 30 seconds and be sure not to overblend. Or if you're using a beater, don't overbeat it. I guess overblending can be bad. So after that is done, pour the mix into the muffin tin. And I won't show every one here, I'll just show a couple. It should fill most of them, if not all. Here we have one empty. Now you place it in the oven at 450 degrees for 25 minutes. So at this point you have baked it for 25 minutes, and after that's done you turn the oven down to 350 and set the timer for an additional 20 minutes. And after that is finished, your popovers will be complete, and that's what they look like. They should look golden brown like this. And here's another view. They're very delicious items. So that's popovers. So the next part of the video is just a good topping to put on top of the popovers. So I think what I'm going to do is hand over the microphone to Misty 2001 and she'll explain it.
For the honey butter, you're going to need a 1/2 cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of honey, a mason jar if you want, and a bowl. Add the butter to the bowl, making sure to get all the butter out of the measuring cup. Next, you're going to add the honey, making sure to get all the sticky stuff out. Stir it up. And then if you want to easily store it, you can put it in a mason jar and refrigerate it. Making sure to scrape the spoon. And that is what your final product looks like. Bon appetit!